Good morning, students. Today we will continue the lesson Factorization of Algebraic Expression from Standard 8th Maths. In the previous class, we have studied the first point. Factors of a quadratic trinomial. This we have already studied. We have also studied some examples how to factorize the trinomial. Trinomial means the numbers, there are three numbers, right? There are three numbers, 2x square minus 9x plus 9. So there are three terms. So it is called as trinomial. We have also studied when there is a number with the coefficient and when there is no number with the coefficient. We have also studied this point when there is number with the variable and no number with the variable. So like this example also we have studied, and like this also example we have studied. So when there is no number, we had to think only about 21, and like this example we have to think about 18 and 2 also. In today's class we will start with the new term, that is factors of a cube plus b cube. We are on textbook page number 30. Factors of a cube plus b cube. This point we will study. Also how to solve examples with the help of this formula. So let's start with it. Let's solve this. Factors of a cube plus b cube. To solve the factors of a cube plus b cube, we know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now what we will do? We will keep a cube and b cube to this side only, that is right side of is equal to sign, and remaining terms, that is 3a square b and 3ab square, we will bring to the left side of is equal to sign. So just as I don't have the place here to my left side of is equal to sign, I will write down this is equal to sign here so that I get enough place to write on my left. Remaining terms will be kept as it is. So a plus b whole cube minus a square b, that is 3. This again brought here, so that also becomes minus 3ab square is equal to a cube plus b cube. As we want the factor of a cube plus b cube, we will write this a cube plus b cube to the left and this whole thing to the right. So therefore a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3a square b minus 3ab square. Pay attention now. Out of this 3a square b and 3ab square, what all things are common? 3ab. Here also 3ab. That too with negative sign. So this is equal to a plus b whole cube remains as it is minus 3ab in common, in bracket here a is remaining and here b is remaining. We will take plus sign here since minus into plus gives us minus. So we have to think for that signs also. Is equal to, there are cube, no? There is cube of a plus b. A plus b cube means multiplication of a plus b bracket how many times? 3 times. So we will take one bracket one time and two brackets we will keep aside. So a plus b into a plus b whole square. Okay, this is whole square, this is single according to the laws of indices from standard 7. When there are same bases, there is addition of indices in case of multiplication. So a plus b into a plus b whole square gives you a plus b whole cube. So this a plus b whole cube is split into a plus b one bracket and second bracket a plus b whole square minus this part kept same 3ab into bracket a plus b is equal to. Now see, out of these two terms and these two terms, we can see that a plus b is common. So we will take a plus b common. Remaining part we will put in square bracket now. This one bracket remains a plus b whole square minus 3ab. Clear? Is equal to. In the lesson of expansion, we have studied a plus b whole square. The formula of a plus b whole square is, we will keep this same first, a plus b whole square, expansion becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. Yes, minus 3ab kept same. Now plus 2ab and minus 3ab will give you minus 1ab. 2 apples minus 3 apple will give you minus 1 apple. 1 we don't write, we just write minus ab is equal to a plus b, another bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now here there are no circular brackets, so I removed this square bracket and instead of square bracket we have written circle bracket. Clear? So that's the required answer. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into second bracket a square minus ab plus b square. Now we will solve an example. Factorize x cube plus 27y cube. This x cube we will consider as a cube and 27y cube we will consider as b cube. So x cube is kept same plus 27y cube means 3y cube. Applying this formula now, let us consider x to be a and y to be 3y. 3y to be b. Okay. So this is equal to a plus b. Now a is x, 3y is b. So x plus 3y into another bracket a square. A is x. So x square minus ab. We will have minus sign. ab, that is x into 3y. So we will write 3xy plus b square. b is 3y. 3y whole square will give you 9y square. So this is our required answer. One more example. 250p cube plus 432q cube. We know that 250's cube root we cannot find out. Same way 432 also we cannot find out the cube root of 432. So what we will do? We will divide 250 and 432 by 2. We will take 2 into bracket. Half of 250 is 125. P cube also we will keep here only. Plus sign. Half of 432 is 216. Cube is equal to 2 will be same. 125p cube means 5p whole cube. Pay attention children. Plus 216 is the cube of 6. So we get 6 cube cube. Okay. So now here 5p becomes A and 6q becomes B. Now we will apply the formula of A cube plus B cube, and 2 we will keep same. So I will write is equal to sign here now. Is equal to 2 will remain same. Bigger bracket we will use. A plus B, right? First term is A plus B. So 5p plus 6q into another bracket A square. So 5p square, 5 5s are 25, p square minus AB, 5 6s are 30, p into q, p q plus b square, 6 6 is 36 q square. So that is our required answer. Thank you.